When you're choosing music for an edit, you want to consider how you want the audience to feel when they're watching your video. If you're creating a video for a client, you of course also have to consider the feel, the style, and the brand of the client's company or services as well. And keeping the client in mind, but also keeping in mind the point of the video you're creating and the audience will make for a great edit and for great music choices. In the particular edit that we're working on, it's featuring a small town in the middle of mountains. It's got a wilderness, naturey sort of feel. There's adventurous things to do in this town, and it's a very charming town. It's a town that many people would travel to get away from the busy city life. So the music that's going to work well for this video edit is music that's naturey, that has a nice ambient feel, and those are the words that we would search for when we're choosing our music. We'd search for words like nature, ambient, atmospheric. We want to stick with words that really suit the feeling that we want the video to have. And when you're choosing music for your video edits, if you're going to be showing these videos anywhere, then you want to make sure you're getting royalty-free music. And in most cases, you have to purchase the music, and that purchase will come with a license. There are various licenses that accompany your royalty-free music purchase, depending on if you're going to be showing this video on YouTube or for broadcast and so on. For the purpose of this course, I have downloaded 4 previews of songs from audiojungle.net. This is a website I go to often to purchase my royalty-free music, and because this is a course and many people are going to be taking this course and following along, we have to stick with the preview files of the music that have the Audio Jungle ID embedded within them, which you'll hear as you're going through the music. And if you're working on a project for a client, in many instances, you would send them the first version of the video with the ID'd music. So you would send them the first version of your video once you've completed the edit and ask them if they're happy with the music. If they are, you would then purchase it and get the license, and then you would deliver the final product with the purchased music track. There are many websites you can go to purchase royalty-free music. My top 3 most visited websites for purchasing royalty-free music for video editing projects is audiojungle.net. I go to this one often. Also, Pond5. Pond5 has some great music options for all sorts of types of videos. I also like Premium Beat. Now, all 3 of these websites have different rules that apply to using their royalty-free music, and you have to create an account for each one of them. But they are great websites with tons of variety in the music that they have available. So I definitely recommend that you keep these 3 royalty-free music websites on hand or in your notes, because they are websites that I and many editors use regularly when choosing music for videos. So we will go back into Premiere Pro now and import the 4 Audio Jungle ID'd songs to get started on our rough cut. Go into Premiere Pro here, right-click in the project panel, click on Import. Within our Nelson folder, we will click on the Music folder and click on Import. And I'll just drop that down. So we have these 4 songs here that we will be working with in our edit and putting to use in the next lesson.